Hello, and welcome to this ASMR room setup tour, hosted by me, Jamishio. So this is my room, this is my door, this is my closet. I also live very boringly, so there might not be a lot to show. But this is my Sausage Party poster and my Pokemon Down and Pro poster up there. Down here we have Legos and Spike Ball or something like that. We have Diagon Alley stuff from Harry Potter. Some other stuff. There's an outlet. I don't really remember what those Lego sets are called. Up here, if it can focus, is a puzzle with a few missing pieces. Then there's a cat up there. Then there's a Pokemon something mystery dungeon thing. And that's me from high school. A fairly poorly, weirdly edited picture of me, but a picture of me nonetheless. This is my desk where I spend zero time at. Except sometimes I go on TikTok here. This is my really old laptop. Not really old, but my previous laptop. You can see how much I used it based off the WASD keys. It's also kind of dusty. But yeah, I'm a gamer. Over here is some AR cards from my 3DS. Got Kingdom Hearts and Legend of Zelda. Got my Nerf gun. Got my Kylo Ren ship from my 3-hour Lego ASMR. Guitar Hero. Another old laptop. Here's a lamp. That's very bright. Then we have some color pencils. I use this in my coloring ASMR live stream. Here's some Pokemon cards. Oh, that's kind of dusty. But I can lift up some of the Pokemon cards. I also have some crayons over there. But let's see, we got my Taboo Finny GX, which I got from that Pokeball actually from a gift. I got a kitty cub. There's a lot of dust here. I gotta dust out my room a bit more, but I don't really go in my room often. Besides, like, sleeping and stuff. But yeah, I just have like a bunch of random stuff up on my dresser. I got some shorts on my chair that I should put away, but I'm too lazy. Over here, I have my 3DS games. There's like Mario Kart, Heroes of Ruin, Pokemon. I got a Funko Pop over there. I don't really like Funko Pops normally. I like my Groot one, I'll say that. Also, here's some Pokemon booster pack things. But I only got that Funko Pop because my friend got like buy 2, get 1% off or something. So he let me buy the third one or something for half its price or whatever. So I figured, yeah, I'll get one. And that's that cute thing from that Harry Potter thingy. There's some stuff down here, but not important. And yeah, that's basically my room. I hope you think it's pretty. Alright, well, it's now time to move to my setup desk tour and stuff. I have my Google Pixel 5, my Keychron K1 keyboard, red switches, my comb. I have an Among Us desk mat, my old Android S7 by Samsung, headphone case, 2 punchy Animal Crossing charms for my friend, second monitor that I never use, except for when I stream, Switch, controller, the H1N Zoom recorder, my dirty mouse, I gotta clean it, the end of my desk, Rubik's Cube, my comb again, and got my piranha plant, my creeper, and my sheep. There it is, the full view. That's my flashlight thing in that box. My Blue Yeti. Over here is my custom built PC, which I've shown before, I believe. I have 32 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, the EVGA RTX 3070. I have a Ryzen 9 3900X CPU, and I have like a Corsair case, and I have my background set as Chloe from Life is Strange, my favorite game. That's my Blue Yeti microphone, the iconic Blue Yeti microphone that everyone uses for recording ASMR and stuff. Here's some more views, and also here's a little like sneak peek of what my ASMRs look like. I got a bunch of stuff on my desk for this gaming ASMR. Well, thank you so much for watching this room and setup tour. Please let me know what you like from my setup. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good night.